my personal thought process, I do think that, you know, we're still continuing this A. We just need to break this level. Right now, for me right now, like I see this and I want to shorts. Joe, why would you do that? Let's go to a 3-minute time frame. And this short will be very, you know, I'm not saying we're going to do it short for like 8 years or nothing. Look how far away we are from the VWAP. We're crossing below the 9 SMA. For this one, dang it, I'm missing it. Barely that. And then my stop loss would be this. So 12, 101. But I mean, if I wanted to, I could just stare at this and just do, now doing this right here, cheating. Look guys, look at how deep it retraced. And right here, it crossed this, and I definitely enter right now. I would have, but this is what the hindsight hustlers do. I would have entered right now, and look, we would have been up 17 million %. Join my group, blah, blah. That's what I teach you. Yeah, this is the, yeah. Because they could have easily done this. But I mean, you can literally trade this all day. I leverage and just looking for little bits of moves. Like if I wanted to, we could just stare at this or any coin really and just trade it. So right now, if I had entered here, oh, you're doing that. Woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda, Joe. Yeah. If I would have entered here, my stop loss would have been here. Now I move my stop loss to break even to include the fees. Because if you don't include the fees, even if you break even, you're still lost. And then you're like, well, I had $100, now I only have $70. I've won or broken even on all my trades. No, you're not including your fees. So now I would move my thing here, my stop loss, into slight profit to include the fees. And then if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. And if it comes all the way down here, great. I can take my first profit. And granted, I trade with 75x leverage, so I'm going to give you a heads up. And then it might do this. It was here. This is what I'm thinking it might do. And then maybe come up. Or maybe I get rejected again. And then now we come here where we had a lot of stoppage. And then now try it. And if it doesn't, well then, more than likely come down here again. But I mean, you like if you want to, you can trade all day long. I don't want to. I haven't done a leverage trading for my group in a long time. I might do one. Just to like kind of trade this chop. The overall thought process when it comes to this is if we're shorting, we do, like let's say we're trying to short and we catch it down here because we think that it might come down to the VWAP. This is not a magnet. This is an average. Very important. So what we're thinking is, well, it might come down in here. Let's go ahead and once it crosses the 9 SMA, we can enter the trade. It broke below the 30, the 50. As long as it does not start making higher highs, we're safe or safer. Our stop loss is up here. Now we don't want it breaking above this. Once it breaks above this, I get worried like, oh crap, I'm gonna get stopped out. Then we don't want it breaking above this. Then we don't want it breaking above this. And then here, oh, it broke above it. My stop loss has already moved to here. So instead of negative, now I'm in the positive. Joe, it's real easy to do this in hindsight. This is what I do. I show you, like, this is my trading. Like, this is the secret sauce. Joe, that's really easy. Yeah. That's why I don't sell a boot camp. That's why I don't sell whatever. I don't sell anything. You know, I have a group. If you want access to me, well, then you join the group. But like this right here, oh, it broke it, but we didn't. Our stop loss, let me just, where would my stop loss sitting? First would have been here, then here, then here, because I'm going off of this. Now, I'll do it tight. Now I'm not looking over here, guys. I'm not cheating. I'm looking here. I mean, I'm in profit. You know, I'll do it here. And here. I'll do it here. And it doesn't hit it. Great. Oh, it almost, holy smokes. I was not even looking here, guys. I was not looking here. God's honest truth. Boy Scouts, even though I'm not a Boy Scout. Wow. And the reason for that is because I'm looking at this story and it's like, man, let me just do it a little bit higher. So that's good. Okay. So now it's coming down, coming down, coming down. Really great profit. I already took profit probably here, took profit probably here. And then it keeps on dumping. I'm taking profit here and I'm moving my stop loss. Now, I'm okay with getting on this trade early. I moved my stop loss way down here. Maybe not so much. I took profit. I'm taking profit. And then I'll leave it up here in case it comes up and then continues down. And I get stopped down. This is how I trade it. See here. I'm in somebody's Discord and they have plus 250 important messages in 1 week. Wow. And he is so praised in the market. Going crazy. Yeah. And it's true, guys. Like for me and my group, I post when I think something valuable is there, whether it's a Bitcoin update, whether it's something moving in the market, whether it's news, whatever it is. If I think it's important, I'll post it, or my other members will post it, or my admins, they'll post it. But you're not seeing like 150 missed messages in like 3 hours. You're not seeing that. That's too much. That's information overload, in my opinion. So what we do is we post what needs to be posted. Same thing with charts. I don't post 10, 15 charts a day just so I can trick people, because it's a numbers game, guys. It is. It's a numbers game. So I can trick people. Oh, join my group. Look, we did this and this. You know, the first question is, how many? Let's see here. Would I be sucked out? I entered here. Yeah. My stop loss would be about right here right now. Let's see if I get stopped out. Let's put this in. Yeah. My thing is, like, I don't want to trick people into joining my group. You know, hopefully you find value. And I'm really, man, I'm blown away with how many people we have in the group, because one, you learn faster, yes, of course. But two, you have access to me, update to the group, to the market, updates to Bitcoin, everything else. And hopefully you're making money. If you're not, it's okay. Don't be discouraged by other people showing these tremendous gains, because, well, they're either trading with very little money, or, in my opinion, I don't know, or they're posting a bunch of charts. So I'll give you a heads up, guys. It's okay. We're going to make money. We're going to make money. Do not quit. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. A bingo bango.
Chop game. Market makers playing that chop game. Traders getting wrecked, don't trade it the same. Long it, pull back, short it, moon quick. Market makers in the back, laughing. Confirm breakout. No, now it's reversing.